afternoon, present here. I am Jeevan.
I am Hemdev.
Today I am going to explain our project Fire Action Preventing in Train. Fire is especially uncontrolled state of source of rapid distraction and get compounded when lots of human lives are involved in it. Things are possible to prevent fire from breaking out in railway coaches and it from preventing from spreading. My friend will explain about the message what we should do when we are traveling in train.
When the fire will be noticed in the train will be stopped immediately. The stopped immediately vehicle will be detached. The safer portion will be at the safe distance. Check the PVC glands which is in the junction box. Do not permit the replace the worn out glands in the junction box and check the insulations in the junction box. Do not permit the broken or cracked insulations. The insulation are over cracked due to overheating of current. The rubber cable is not permitted. Check whether the fire or smoke comes out. Turn off the electrical supply off. Last one, the fire alarms or the smoke alarms. Check it every month and change the batteries. Over to Jeevanandam.
Intensive publicity campaigning to prevent traveling of public inflammable goods regularly undertaken. Frequent drivers carrying inflammable and dangerous articles to train and primary station nearby undertaken. Even a project are going to deciding to keep a smoke alarm in train and send messages to the guards and railway coaches. Every coach, every compartment have GPS tracker so that we can exactly to the coach. Our main motive is to prevent a fire accident and give a safe and secure travel for everybody. That's why we call it luxury. Luxury means common people traveling in India traveling in train. It's our prime duty to give a safe and secure traveling. Thank you for a wonderful opportunity.
Thank you.